Rico J, now in Toronto as guests of Joel Rekla at the Scotiabank Shin. Okay. Here's Rico J. Kumusta, Rico?
Ayos lang.
So,
Masaya.
sabi mo kanina you've been to Canada for the past first, second, and third. This is your third year. Ano ba experience mo dyan?
Well, yung sa Toronto, first time, medyo, ano yun, ang nag-produce sa akin nun, talagang, kumbaga, social natin. First time, I was treated like a king. Yung mga, may limo, lahat, everything. Okay naman, it turned out well. Pero hindi ko na siya matandaan masyado. That was so many years ago. Pero one time we went to Vancouver. Tapos nung nandito ako, first time to go to Niagara, no? Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. Tapos nakita ko yung parang Buffalo City ba yun o something? Mas maliit yung kanilang falls kesa doon sa Niagara. Talagang hard to believe na yung palang mga tubig na gano'n meron sa mundo nun. No? Pero sumunod doon, pumunta kami ng Winnipeg. Napakalamig nung pumunta kami doon. Pero it was successful. And then we went back. Ang kasama ko naman, mga babae naman to, Viva Hot Babes.
Oh, okay.
Hindi ako masyado nakatulog doon kasi puro babae yun.